Welcome students. Standard 4th subject EVS 2 lesson number 8 defeat of internal enemies. Students, let me tell you that here defeat means to win victory over the enemies. So students, today we are going to study about by use of force Chandrarao More of Javali, Rebel and You Will Die and Fort Raigad. Students, now we will see by use of force the Maulas of the 12 Mawals gathered round Shivaji ready to do his bidding. Here, bidding means command or to order. They lived for Swaraj and were willing to die for it. They were simple Maratha flock. They loved Shivaji more than their life. But some people were jealous of Shivaji's achievement. He had to bring such people to book. Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade were two Sardars in the service of Adil Shah. The Shah incited them against Shivaji. Here, incited means encouraged. They created a lot of trouble in the Kondana district, but Shivaji was more than a match for them. He defeated and drew them out. Drew them out means to run them out. Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar of Fulton was Shivaji's own brother-in-law. But Shivaji Maharaj had to fight many battles against him. However, later on, members of his family stood by Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji arrested and banished Shambhaji Mohite of Supe to Karnataka. Now students, we will go through Chandrarao More of Javali. The greatness of Shivaji's achievement was recognized and cheered everywhere. He captivated the heart of his people. Here, captivated means attracted to his people. But some people did not like this. They looked upon Shivaji as a mole in the eye. More was the Jagirdar of Javali. This Jagir, which extended from Raigad to Koina Valley, along with the title Chandrarao, was conferred upon him by Adil Shah. Javali was covered with such a thick forest that even during broad daylight the sun's rays hardly entered it. It was full of wildlife. Tigers, wolves and bears roamed freely in the Javali forest. More's Javali was thus like a tiger's hideout. No one, therefore, crossed More's path. Only Shivaji had the courage to do so. Daulatrao More died in 1645. There was fight for the succession among his successors. Shivaji backed Yashwantrao More, who, with Shivaji's help, ascended the Gadi as Chandrarao. In return for Shivaji's help, Yashwantrao promised to help Shivaji in his struggle and also pay him an annual tribute. But he forgot All this once he succeeded to the Ghadi. He became rude and troublesome. Here, troublesome means worrying. Rebel and you will die. Shivaji first sent a stiff note to Yashwantrao More. You call yourself the Raja, but I am the Raja of this territory. This kingdom is Lord Shiva's gift to me, so do not call yourself the Raja. In a very rude reply, Yashwantrao said, You are a Raja of only yesterday. Who gave you this kingdom? If you come to Jawali, you will be trapped. By the grace of God, I have received from the Adil Shah the title of Raja. He has also, in his graciousness, given me a throne and the panoply of a Raja. Students, here graciousness means kindness. If you start any trouble here, you will be badly hurt. Shivaji replied, Give up Jawali and your pretensions to kingship. Here, pretensions means false claims. Come before your master with folded hands and accept his service. You will refuse to do so at the risk of your life. After that, students, the conquest of Jawali was a difficult operation. It was covered with thick forest and protected by the safe Rairi fort. More also had numerous followers. Shivaji, after making through preparations, attacked Jawali. Yashwantrao held out for about a month but suffered very heavy losses. Now students, we will see about Fort Raigad. Shivaji conquered Jawali and marched on Rairi. After an extensive struggle of 3 months, he conquered Rairi and renamed it Raigad. He also built a new fort on Bhorpia hill and named it Pratapgarh. I hope you all have understood this lesson. Thank you.